हाय रणवीर साहब, आपके लेफ्ट में आलोक है। आलोक सर, टीजर बेहतरीन है, इतना सब कुछ देखा, दोबारा भी देख सकते हैं। एक बार संजू बाबा की तरह कुछ अगर आप बोल सकें, क्योंकि सब कुछ मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया आपने इस टीजर के दौरान, तो दो लाइन।
मैं उसके लिए एक्चुअली आप ट्रेलर के लिए वेट करना, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर फिल्म की बातें होंगी। बट मुझे थोड़ा आई फील वेरी शाय, बिकॉज आई फील कि उनकी नकल उतारना ये कुड बी डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल। क्योंकि जब हम फिल्म करते एक कैरेक्टर है, इतने सारे चीज़ें होते हैं, कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, हेयर मेकअप होता है, और उसकी वजह से कुछ पर्दे पे नज़र आता है। सो आई डोंट वांट टू काइंड ऑफ डिसरिस्पेक्ट संजू सर, क्योंकि कभी कभी जब नकल उतारते तो लगता है कि ही इज ट्राइंग टू मिमिक इट, सो आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट।
मैं कर सकता हूँ बोले, आता नहीं है यार।
Can I say something? Alok? Thank you. Raju, hi. Congratulations to you and Ranveer. It's amazing the way you look like Sanju. It's really astounding. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
Ranveer, I wanted to ask you. You've always known Sanjay Dutt, of course, right from the time you were born. But when you came on board to do this film, did you go out of your way to observe him, maybe see his films, maybe, try to see what his mannerisms are like? So did you go out of your way to do a little bit of homework?
Ma'am, there were a couple of things. Firstly, I've always been a Sanjay Dutt fan. So for me, it was a fan trying to play his icon on screen. So I think the hardest work that I had to do is give myself confidence that I can play this man. Because I remember when Raju sir told me about this film, I just didn't have confidence because I felt I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't have the courage, I don't have the understanding, and I don't have the acting chops to do it. So this is not an acting gig for me. Like, I don't think I've tried to show good acting or bad acting or showcase my talent. I think it was just the opportunity to be part of a story of somebody who I consider my icon, who I consider a very flawed person but a good person, and to tell a story and to be him was quite incredible.
So did you observe him? That's what
I've observed him all my life. We all have tried to.
You didn't particularly go out of your way to.
No, I did. I did try. I mean, ma'am, I try to do this for every film. There's a character that you play. Fortunately or unfortunately, we have a character which is so relevant. Even he's pop icon. He's pop culture, and so it was scary. But I think with the kind of brilliant men sitting on stage right now, with their help, it made it much easier for me. Thank you.
राजू सर, जब आप शूट कर रहे थे, थोड़े रैशेस भी देखे होंगे संजय दत्त सर ने, उनका क्या रिस्पॉन्स था, थोड़ा वो बताएं। संजू का एक फिल्म में एक सीन है जिसमें, क्योंकि मुन्ना भाई ऑल्सो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज स्टोरी, दैट वाज द टाइम दत्त साहब ने पहली बार संजू के साथ एक फिल्म की थी, तो उसका थोड़ा सा अंश फिल्म में है। तो उसमें एक सीन है जिसमें रणवीर इज प्लेइंग मुन्ना भाई। तो मैंने बड़े एक्साइटमेंट में संजू को, वो स्पेशल इफेक्ट होकर क्लिप आया था, वो संजू को दिखाया। तो मुझे लगा संजू रिएक्ट करेगा, जिसको मैं दिखाता था सब कहते अरे बड़ा अच्छा यार, देखो कैसा लग रहा है। तो संजू ने ऐसे देखा, कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं दिया। तो मैंने कहा संजू सी इट अगेन, सामने से देखो, फिर से देखो, क्लोजली वॉच इट। अगेन ही सॉ इट, अगेन ही डिडंट रिएक्ट। तो आई सेड संजू क्या हुआ, डिडंट लाइक इट? ही सेड I don't think this is very good news for me. Of course, he said it jokingly, and so he's seen some parts of it, and I think he gets overwhelmed कि मेरे लाइफ में फिल्म बन रही है, उसी पे वो right now is in that zone. And Mr. Vijay and Vidu sir, किस तरीके का ये कोलैबोरेशन है? 2016 से देख रहे हैं कि फॉक्स अलग-अलग जगहों से कोलैबोरेट कर रहा है, और ये कैसे हुआ, जरा इसके बारे में बताएं।
I think we're very clear that we want to be working with the best talent in the industry, and I think everyone in this room sitting here knows it can't get better than this. So I think it is a privilege for us at Fox to be working with this very, very talented team. They're not an easy team to work with. They are brilliant.
मेरी तरफ देख रहा हूँ, ये पूरी नजर।
But I think as I said, it doesn't get better, and I think we're very, very honored to be part of this team.
Hi, Mr. Raju. On your left, this is Faridun. Faridun from Power
Hi.
It's an incredible promo. As I think Abhijat said a short while back, there are 3 E's to define you: entertainment, enlightenment, and uplift. I think there's one more E as well. So one thing which is very, very, very interesting is that even the serious situations in the promo, you've presented them in a humorous and entertaining manner. Those situations, some of the situations are really, really serious for the matter. How crucial, it's always been, screenplay is very important for you. What is the entire experience of just working like screenplay of this movie, sir?
See, in this journey, I figured out that biopic is a different monster altogether. Because you don't have total control over it. When you're writing a fresh screenplay, fiction, you have control over it. ये आपका character है, आप उसको जैसे चाहें जिस